Story script. The Brave Little Bird 4. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, lived a very small bird. The bird was tiny, with soft blue feathers and a gentle heart. But even though he was small, he always dreamed of doing something great. One hot summer, the forest had no rain. The trees were thirsty, the flowers were dry, and the river almost disappeared. All the animals were worried. Far away, the little bird saw a lake full of water. He thought to himself, "If I can bring water to my forest, maybe I can help my friends." The bird began to fly back and forth. He picked up tiny drops of water in his beak and carried them to the dry forest. Drop by drop, he kept going, again and again. At first, the other animals laughed. "How can such a small bird save the big forest?" they said. But the bird didn't stop. He was brave, and he believed in his dream. After many trips, the ground became wet again. The trees slowly grew green, and flowers began to bloom. The river started to flow once more. All the animals were amazed. They cheered and thanked the little bird for his courage and hard work. And from that day, the forest remembered, even the smallest creature can make a big difference when they are brave and never give up. The end.